Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So a couple of weeks ago I did an Instagram story and I asked what would you like to see on my YouTube channel, and a lot of people actually said hauls. And it's funny because I kind of thought hauls were like a thing of the past, that people didn't enjoy watching them anymore. But yeah, you said you'd like to see them, and I haven't really been shopping much, but I have got some new bits recently. I got some presents and some gifts from companies, so I'm just going to talk about those today. I haven't really had time to go on a shopping spree or anything, unfortunately, but I do have some beautiful gifts that I would like to talk about, so if you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first product I'm going to talk about is this gorgeous fragrance from Viktor and Rolf. I just love the bow shape in it. I just think the packaging is beautiful and it looks great on my dressing table. And this mess back here, sorry, we'll just cover that. But it's a gorgeous, very feminine, can never say that word, feminine, whatever. You guys know what I mean. Beautiful perfume. Smells luscious, really warm and sweet. I just absolutely adore it, and it's long lasting as well. It's one of the only perfumes that I'd actually get compliments on when I wear, so I think that means that it suits you or something when people can smell it off you. I can never smell fragrances on myself, but apparently that's a good thing. But when I wear this fragrance I always get compliments, so I think that's a good thing. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is this gorgeous gift that I got from a beautiful customer or client of mine called Caroline. She's been coming to me to get her brows done for the last 4 years. She is the sweetest person ever. She's got a heart of gold and I love her to bits. And when I told her I was leaving, she went away and she bought me this beautiful chain. I actually don't own anything from Folly and Folly, so I was so excited when I saw the box, because I've always seen you know, some beautiful earrings and chains from there, but I'd never actually, you know, treated myself to anything. So so this is the chain she got me. It's beautiful rose gold. It's like a circle and it's got rose gold diamonds in it. It's just absolutely stunning, very classy, very ladylike. It's just absolutely gorgeous, and it is totally my style as well. So thank you so much, Caroline. This really meant the world to me. You know, especially to get a present from a client, it's just so much more emotional, because she really didn't have to do that, and it just absolutely means the world, and it's made me feel really loved as well and appreciated. So thank you so much, Caroline. It's the most beautiful gift. You really didn't have to do that, but I appreciate it so much. The next product I'm going to talk about is a gift as well, actually, and this is another chain. So this is from H. Samuel, and this was a gift from the girls working with me at the benefit counter. It's like a goodbye gift, you know. They also got me some gorgeous chocolates, sweets, cards, flowers, balloons, you name it. They really did spoil me, but they got me this gorgeous silver chain, just really dainty, nice delicate chain with an S on it for Sarah, and I love it. Like, I am a sucker for anything that's like personalized, anything personalized with my name or MakeupBySaz or anything like that. You know, I absolutely adore. So they know me well. But it's just a beautiful chain. The next product I'm going to talk about is this gorgeous coral lipstick from Sleek. It's so summery, it's so out there. I actually got a bit of a fright when I saw it. I was like, whoa. But you know what, this would actually look gorgeous with a nice glowing tan and very natural makeup, freckles from the sun, and gorgeous bright coral lipstick. I think I could totally rock that. And nice fluttery lashes I think would look amazing. I also got this Matte Me lipstick. This is in the shade Velvet Slipper. It's an absolute gorgeous deep plum matte shade. This to me wouldn't be a spring summer shade, but I would definitely rock this in autumn and winter. Absolutely beautiful. I love the Sleek Matte Me lipsticks, actually, they're lovely. The next product I'm going to talk about is actually a brand new company. They are called Sea Witch Cosmetics. So they've literally just launched. I don't think they even have any pictures up on their Instagram yet. They're that new. They're actually made in Cork. So it's an Irish brand, they're cruelty free. But wait till you see these highlighters. Ah, aren't they beautiful? So they gave me a good few colours to choose from. So I was able to pick any of, I think they have a range of 20, and I was able to pick any 4 colours that I wanted, and they put them into this beautiful box. They're like 15 ml size liquid highlighters. And I went for 3 kind of well, they're not natural in any way, but I went for 3 ones that would be quite wearable to me, like an ice queen kind of shade, a gold, a pink, and then I went for this purple here, which is called Unicorn, I believe, and it is a beautiful unicorn shade, and I just thought it would actually be really cool for a tutorial. So I haven't worn them yet. I've literally just swatched them on my Instagram stories. They swatch beautifully, they look very pigmented. I cannot wait to try them on my face, so stay tuned. I will do a makeup tutorial very soon, I promise, but I just wanted to show you guys them today because I am genuinely really excited about this brand. So the last thing I want to show you are these beautiful booties. I picked these up in Pennies or Primark. They were reduced to €3, you guys, can't go wrong. But yeah, they're beautiful. I thought they'd be perfect for work. I know they're quite autumn wintry, but in Ireland it always rains anyway, so you can kind of get away with wearing boots all year round, but I will keep them. I actually got 2 pairs, so when one pair kind of is worn down from work and stuff, I'll have another pair laying around. So I could have like 1 work pair and 1 like at home pair. Is that really weird? I don't know. They were €3. I couldn't resist. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. I haven't done one in so long, so I hope I did it right. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. My links will be in the description box. Don't forget to check out my brand spanking new website. It is unreal, if I do say so myself. But I'll see you guys in a video very soon. Love you lots. Mwah.